Alright, so I'm going to show you how I do one of these. I take some cheesecloth and I cut a strip about whatever that is. So an inch and a little, yeah, it can be an inch, it can be whatever. Then I twist it around like this. Now you can use anything. You could use a piece of twine. You could use rope. Anything you've got around the house that is going to give you something that you can lay down like this. I put my little end in here. I kind of pull it and twist it around a couple times so that I want this secure. I'm going to cut this edge off here. And you could tack it down with a stitch of some kind if you wanted. I'm going to put mine, I don't care enough to do that, so I'm just going to put mine in the corner here. And I've got my Aurora. And then I'm just going to couch it down. So and because it's a similar color, it doesn't even matter if I don't completely cover it, because it's not going to show enough to make a difference. You could use a plastic ring if you wanted. The reason I don't use a plastic ring is because those, the rings are, as I used for the Dorset, they're going to be really, really uniform. And I am going for something a little less uniform and a bit more organic in shape. So I kind of like the way this cheesecloth just kind of, you could also do this with a strip of t-shirt fabric. I like the way when I couch this, it's not going to be a perfect circle. It's going to be a more organic looking shape. I don't worry about all of these, the fraying here. You know, it's all going to get hidden, and whatever doesn't, I can clip with my scissors. So I'm just going around. I'm not really worrying about all this. I can cut all that out, or I can leave it. It doesn't really matter. You can see I'm not even, like I left a gap here. I can go back later if it's going to bother me, but right now I'm just trying to cover this piece. It's easier to cover it completely as you go around than to leave gaps and go back. You know, if you can avoid that, that's probably better. So there it is. And like I said, I'm going for something a bit more organic. I don't want this to be so uniform and you know, I'm gonna cut this stuff out. I think I'll do one more here. And I'm gonna cut this out. So I just go in with my scissors. And I can Okay, I think I'm gonna just go in with my Aurora here. I'll just cover that little bit there. And I think I'll do one more here and cover this little bit. And that's it. I'm not gonna worry about all this other. I can come and clip if I want. But honestly, it doesn't matter, you know? That's that. I might do one more here, sort of over here, and maybe one over here. And that's going to be it for these.